Hello everyone. Today is Monday, 30th of May. I was on vacations for 1 week. Hope you didn't miss me too much. Well, I'm sure you didn't because Ben did everything for it, but this is another point of conversation with him personally. Ben, if you look at me now, if you look at this show, we're going to have a serious talk. Anyway, he's not going to be with us today. Probably he's sulking on me or he's sulking on you guys because you didn't bring your likes. Well, I have my lovely professional colleague today, Eugene Morozov, who will tell you professional and super fantastic overview on the market. But coming up today in under 10 minutes, we're going to have Terra 2.0 listing, JP Morgan with its private blockchain, China's lottery, hotel booking with NFTs, OnlyFans NFT Platform, Eugene's brilliant market analysis with the top cryptocurrencies as for the past week, Tether, stablecoin, new Luna tokens airdropping, and more gossips. So starting with the market, Eugene, please give us an overview of what's going on and why.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is Memorial Day in the US and financial and government offices are closed. But if we look at the last week performance, as Twitter reported in the slide you are seeing right now, a repricing took place for all of those digital assets, wiping out significant values, which in my opinion, will undoubtedly bring investors new buying opportunities from current local lows. What is needed, however, is increase in demand. Where will it come from? It is likely to be helped by increases in crypto adoption. Decentral Park Capital reports that 12% of Americans today use crypto and are twice as likely to be unbanked. And also that 10% of Eurozone households own crypto today. Most market watchers and participants agree on the need for Web3 to meet Web2 where it is today in order to push the next billion users over the edge through mobile native everyday applications, real use cases, and the invisible blockchain behind. One might ask, is there a network able to support 1 billion users today? Everscale developers say yes, as they believe they built the only one with multi-shard and multi-thread architecture, allowing it to be truly linearly scalable. With 50,000 SEPs over open internet with 200 validators already demonstrated, sub-second network finality, and near zero cost, let's follow that one. What else was interesting? As Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy, which by the way is reportedly controlling more than 121,000 Bitcoins, said in his recent interview to Fox News, I will always buy BTC. Safe haven is the appropriate name for it. I couldn't agree more. And a very telling chart was shared by the Block Research on the gaming NFT trading volume this week. See the chart you in front of you. Little break, okay. Let's start this part again. A very telling chart was shared by the Block Research on the gaming NFT trading volume recently. For the first time since April 2021, Axie Infinity recorded less than $2 million in weekly volume for a third consecutive week. At the height of its dominance in July 2021, Axie was accounting for over 98% And for the week of May 2022, this percentage was only 14%, indicating for months that most players are no longer interested in the pioneer play to earn game when it's harder to be profitable due to the SLP token declining in value. This fall was exacerbated by the $600 million Ronin bridge exploit that occurred at the end of March, which was the largest decentralized finance exploit of all time. In conclusion, HODL, not giving financial advice, just a life hack. Back to you.
For sure. For sure. It's not financial advice, guys, please. It was excellent. Thank you very much, Eugene. I'm sure that our listeners loved it. I did. But anyway, moving to my big blogs, Anastasia's big blogs. I loved it. I was looking forward to it for 1 week, actually, while I was on my vacations. Well, starting with CFTC Commissioner Caroline Pham compared investing in cryptocurrencies to buying lottery tickets, referring to the sensational Terra project, which, according to her, was not only a tragedy on the entire market, but also its strength test. Well, actually, a true. Some part is a true. Binance has announced that it will list Terra 2.0 in the innovation zone and open trading for the Luna USDT and Luna BUSD pairs on Tuesday, May 31st at 6 a.m. UTC. Investment bank JP Morgan Chase & Co. successfully tested a transfer of pledged assets in its own private blockchain. China raffles 30 million digital yuan in lottery. Chinese banks have prepared 4.5 million red envelopes for distribution in order to support the economy after the hard lockdown they had. NFT news. The Casa de Campo resort in the Dominican Republic is going to implement an NFT booking system, well, mostly to avoid last-minute cancellations by guests. Well, how it works. A guest buys NFT through Pinktada. This is the startup, the platform actually. If the plans change, he can simply, or she can simply sell the token while the hotel does not lose the revenue. OnlyFans founder launches collectible NFT card platform this summer called Zoop. It will offer celebrity trading cards for fans to collect, buy, sell, and trade on the site. Well, that's pretty much all from me. That was very short. I was trying to keep it short at least. Let's move to the big stories of the day, Eugene. I'm sure you have a few of them.
Thank you. I would add a few of those. Well, first of all, a new stablecoin issued by Tether, the company behind USDT stablecoin, will be rolled out in Mexico, where 2.5% of the population already owns cryptocurrency, and 40% of companies have expressed an interest in blockchain and cryptocurrencies. MXNT will be pegged to the peso, which costs at the moment approximately 5 US cents. Let me repeat this one. New stablecoin issued by Tether, the company behind USDT stablecoin, will be rolled out in Mexico, where 2.5% of the population owns cryptocurrency, and 40% of companies have expressed an interest in blockchain and cryptocurrencies. MXNT will be pegged to the peso, which at the moment costs approximately 5 US cents. Next, Celsius. Reports are surfacing about unresolved issues with securities regulators. The blog Crypto reports that Celsius fails to post its regular weekly report on its assets. A few customers are reported to be afraid that the entire company, well, had some Ponzi scheme characteristics. Celsius token price drops below 60 US cents for the first time since September 2020. And last but not the least, Duquan airdropping new Luna tokens to investors that held Luna Classic, Terra USD Classic, and Anchor Protocol UST. Now, it remains to be seen if the community accepts those airdrops. We are also reading in dailyhodl.com that Binance will unlock 15.7 million liquid Luna to eligible users. But some say in the space that users don't really care about the new Luna and they will just dump any airdrop. We shall see. Back to you. Thank you, Anastasia.
Yeah, that was the one I was going to talk on airdrop part, but
just
I'm not
cut
sure
it out. Cut it out.
No. I was just going to say that I was going to put it on the script, but then I was like, it's up on our listeners whether to participate once they announce it or not. So no comments on it, guys. You decide. Not a financial advice at all. So just go and do your own research and do your own decisions on this part. I guess that we're finished. That was pretty much all from us. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. We are not a financial advisors, but if you enjoyed the show, please bring your likes. Eugene will be happy. And I will be happy too, of course.
If I might add, please go to some classical piano music. You will enjoy it. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Bye.